Good morning. I thought today we would unbox or unbag a stitch sampler set that I have here in the shop. It's a $10 sampler and it features 7 unique embroidery stitches, and then those stitches are used to complete the picture on the bottom. So let's see what's inside. First up, we have our 6-inch hoop. This is used to keep your fabric tight so your stitches look clean. And we have another bag featuring, I'm guessing, instructions. Okay, we have a diagram of the finished piece with instructions on how many threads or strands of thread to use to make each different stitch. Additionally, we have a card with our different colors on it. And here is our design, which we will get to stitching shortly. And basic stitch instructions on how to do the different stitches. So first we will do the sampler stitches, and then we will complete the picture at the bottom. Stay tuned for more.